Hi, I'm Dan Wilson.
And I'm Steph Bendrick.
We are 2/3 of Wilson Bendrick Hayes, and we're here at the beautiful Denver Botanical Gardens, and we want to share with you another literary term of the day.
I think I need a better bench.
How about portmanteau?
Oh, that sounds good.
All right. In fact, we have an example from the book that actually explains what a portmanteau is. Cotterpin, Page said, "You are undeniably fantabulous." Interesting word. Sounds like a combination of fantastic and fabulous. Yeah, you pretty much nailed it. Yet another problem solved. So as you can see, a portmanteau is when you take two different words and you combine them together. You see that in celebrity relationships a lot. Anyway, we'd love to hear some of your portmanteaus. Either put them in the comments, some of your favorites, one that you've written, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.